Starting a dropshipping business on Shopify is easier than you think. First, sign up for Shopify and choose a plan that fits your budget. The free trial helps you test things out. Pick a niche with good demand but low competition. Think unique, problem-solving products. Next, install a dropshipping app like Deezer's, Spocket, or Zendrop to find and add products directly to your store. Customize your storefront with a clean, high-converting theme, write persuasive product descriptions, and set competitive prices. Don't forget to set up payment gateways like PayPal or Stripe so you can actually get paid. Once your store is live, it's time to drive traffic. Use Facebook ads, TikTok, and Instagram to showcase your products with eye-catching videos. Leverage influencers and user-generated content to build trust fast. Offer discounts, create urgency, and use email marketing to retarget visitors who didn't buy. Keep an eye on customer service. Fast responses and good communication help build a brand, not just a store. Stay consistent, analyze what works, and scale smartly. Success won't happen overnight, but if you stay focused and adapt, you'll see results.